Welcome to God and Gravity, where science and spirituality intersect. Today, we tackle an age-old question with a modern twist. Could mathematics point to the existence of God? Let's find out. For centuries, mathematicians and philosophers have marveled at the universe's mathematical elegance. The Fibonacci sequence, for instance, is a simple pattern of numbers 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on, where each number is the sum of the two preceding it. Amazingly, this sequence appears everywhere in nature. The arrangement of leaves on a stem, the pattern of seeds in a sunflower, even the spiral of a hurricane. Why does this happen? Consider another example, the golden ratio. This irrational number, approximately 1.618, is found in everything from ancient architecture to the proportions of the human body. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci used it to create aesthetically pleasing compositions, while scientists find it in the spirals of galaxies. It's as if the universe favors certain mathematical patterns, embedding them into its very fabric. But why? Now, let's turn to the building blocks of life. DNA, the molecule that encodes all biological information, is structured in a double helix, a shape dictated by specific mathematical relationships. The sequences within DNA, which determine how organisms develop, can be thought of as a type of code. This has led some to describe DNA as the language of life, a script written in 4 letters, A, T, C, and G. But who or what wrote that script? Some argue that this complexity arose through natural processes over billions of years. Yet, others see it as evidence of a guiding hand. Could the mathematical precision within DNA be a clue that life itself is the result of intentional design? Even our brains, the most complex known structure in the universe, operate using neural networks that follow mathematical rules. These rules enable everything from thought and memory to creativity and consciousness. Mathematics doesn't just govern the visible world, it also describes the invisible forces shaping our reality. The laws of physics, from Einstein's theory of relativity to quantum mechanics, are expressed through precise mathematical equations. For example, E equals mc squared links energy, mass, and the speed of light in a relationship that has withstood the test of time. Similarly, Schrödinger's equation, which describes how particles behave at the quantum level, captures the mysteries of the subatomic world with astonishing accuracy. Why is mathematics so effective at describing the universe? Nobel Prize-winning physicist Eugene Wigner called this the unreasonable effectiveness of mathematics. He argued that math's ability to describe and predict reality seems almost miraculous. If mathematics is merely a human invention, why does it align so perfectly with the universe's workings? Could it be that math wasn't invented, but discovered, a fundamental aspect of the cosmos, placed here by a creator? On a cosmic scale, mathematics governs the movement of planets, the formation of stars, and the expansion of the universe. Isaac Newton's laws of motion and gravity describe how objects move, while modern cosmology uses equations to model the universe's evolution from the Big Bang to today. Even phenomena like black holes, once thought to be purely theoretical, were predicted mathematically before being observed. Yet, some aspects of the universe seem finely tuned for life. For example, the strength of gravity, the charge of an electron, and the speed of light are just a few of the constants that must be precisely what they are for life to exist. If any of these values were slightly different, the universe would be inhospitable. This fine-tuning has led some scientists and philosophers to propose the anthropic principle. The idea that the universe appears designed because we're here to observe it. But does that explanation suffice? Does math prove a creator? While science may never definitively answer that question, it's clear that mathematics reveals an underlying order and beauty to the universe. What do you think? Is math the fingerprint of a creator, or is it simply the language of nature? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you next time on God and Gravity.